show you how to create a WhatsApp n8n agent that you can set up quickly. I've gone to this company here, the plumbing company, somewhere in California, and then I put their landing page here. Then I've given their website. I also attached other search elements like visiting the website and etc. If it can't find any information from the landing page, it will actually go through visit the website and try to find the information. That's the idea. So let me just demo it really quickly. This is my WhatsApp test account. You'll get a test account to play around with when you sign up for this service. What services do you offer? So this will be equivalent to opening up the business's phone number and chatting through WhatsApp. Before that, because I haven't activated it, I had to manually run it. Let me just ask it again. I'll be able to see the agent is looking up the knowledge from the Google sheet. Yeah, here's a clear summary of what we offer and how to get the services, blah, 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 and stuff like that. Service area and stuff like that. So that's the idea. So let's get into it. First things first, we need to create an app. Developers.facebook.com. You have to go there, click on My Apps. You have to log into your Facebook, of course. These are my apps, and then click on Create App. You can use Meta's Business Suite as well. We'll redirect here, like plumbing service, because you can only use one WhatsApp connection with one app. I have to create this for each one of your client. That is a WhatsApp API limitation. And then you go here and just click on Other and click on Next. Select Business because I'm in Vietnam. It's in Vietnamese, but this is a business option. Create an app. Log into your Facebook. Now you have several things here. Just click on WhatsApp here and set up. You do need to have a business portfolio for WhatsApp business platform. If you don't have it, just create one when it asks for it. And once that is done, you have to make it live. So next you will have to go to App Settings in Basic and add a privacy policy URL. You can give any URL here and save that and make it live. Go back to WhatsApp and go to API Setup. You'll get a test number here. Make a note of this test number. Copy it like that. Let's go back to n8n. Go to Workflow, Create in Person, Save, and we are going to add a WhatsApp trigger on messages. And I'm going to create a new credential in Client ID. Go to your App Settings Basic. Once again, copy the client ID, put it there, go App Secret and put it there. And once you save it, we'll try to connect and validate it. And now it says connection tested successfully. That's what we want. Now that is done, let's test it. So I already have this number added onto my WhatsApp, which we just chatted with. You'll just get that same test number. Right now, once that is added, click on Execute Workflow, and we can test it. I can just say hello here, and that should come through. So if I look at this keyboard, hello. So that's coming through. The next one is obviously an AI agent. Click on AI agent here, and instead of JSON chat input, define below and then we are just going to drag and drop that body of the message text body. So that will keep changing based on what you're trying to add. And I will add a ChatGPT model here. Change that to 5.1 mini, 5 mini. If you don't have an OpenAI account yet, you just create your credential here and add your OpenAI API key. That's the bare bones of it. And then for sending the message back, we need another WhatsApp send business cloud and send a message back. Here, the credential is a bit different to send a message. You need to actually get an access token. For that, we do have a WhatsApp account API, which I used before for my other workflow, but I'll just show you anyway. So to get this, you have to go back to your app again, go to WhatsApp and API setup, then click on generate token here. Then you just select everything, save that, copy that access token from there and paste that there. And you also get the business account ID and copy that and put that under business account ID. 2 different credentials for sending message and getting messages. Sender's phone number ID. So we are going to use the test number here for the recipient's phone number. And let's execute this part and see. Then now you connect it to see what's coming through. So the recipient's phone number is the front number from whoever is talking to the agent. And the message type is text, and the text body will be the output from the AI agent. So that will be the output there. And that finishes the conversation flow. Let's test it again and say execute workflow. And I say, and I get, hello, how can I help you today? look at the conversation. So that's the bare bones of the credential setup, very easy. But if you're using on a scale, then of course you have to bear the WhatsApp API prices and everything. What I have done in the other workflow is that I have added a memory here so that it can keep track of the conversation, a visiting website tool, a search tool, and web search tool, etc. The knowledge is basically a Google tool. I just copy paste the landing page of the company and given the website so that you can do further search and look up if need be. So that's basically it. That's how you do an agent workflow. So link to this template will be in the description. You can copy paste it, and also you can get it from my Skool community. I'm building premium builds and like premium templates available inside my Skool community. So check that out. All the links in the description. So check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.